Let us now go through the installation process of Ultra WABA for Zoho CRM. Access the Zoho Marketplace. Here you can find the application Ultra WABA for Zoho CRM. Click on Install. Scroll down and select the checkboxes. Click on Install. Agree to the terms of service and click on Continue to install. Select the users for whom you wish to install the app. Click on Confirm. The app has now been installed. Access the settings page. Sign in to Algebra with your Zoho CRM email ID. Select your Zoho CRM region. Click on Authorize Now. Click on Accept. Click on Apply Now to contact us for the WhatsApp Business API setup. You can also contact us through the link given in the description below. Once the setup has been complete, enter the Facebook app ID provided by our team and click on Authorize Now. Ultra WABA for Zoho CRM has now been set up. Thank you for watching.